This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings while Talkback is active. You'll use single tap to focus and double tap to open items. That's why you must practice those gestures first. Once done, navigate to the Settings app. If scrolling is slow, use a two-finger swipe to move pages. If your Moto G Pure supports the accessibility shortcut, press and hold both volume buttons for about 3 seconds to attempt a faster Talkback toggle. Otherwise, stay in Settings and follow the next steps. You should now find Accessibility in Settings. Navigate there using your gestures and open Talkback, sometimes labeled Screen Reader. Once inside, double-tap the Talkback item to open its page. Make sure you use two-finger scrolling to reach the toggle or the gear icon for options, because one-finger scroll won't work. You're doing this to access the on/off control and any shortcut settings. These controls let you disable spoken feedback permanently, or change the volume button shortcut behavior if you want a quicker way next time. You disable Talkback by turning the toggle off and confirming any dialogue with a double tap. The voice should stop immediately. Once done, test basic navigation. Single tap to focus and double tap to open an app to confirm normal behavior. If Talkback refuses to turn off, make sure to check Accessibility Services and disable the Talkback service there, or reboot the phone to clear stuck processes. If problems persist, you can use the Accessibility Volume shortcut again, or consider resetting settings as a last resort troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.